Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what matters: a fast lens and a dark card with a small shaped hole to control out-of-focus highlights. Mount the card in front of the lens, then set aperture wide and ISO low so highlights become discs. Focus on your subject's hand distance while keeping background lights farther away. This separation creates pronounced bokeh. Once framed, take a test shot to confirm size and shape of the blur, and adjust card-to-lens distance to change bokeh softness and shape fidelity. Now you refine the effect. Move the cutout card slightly away from the lens to soften the edges or closer to tighten the shape. This changes how the aperture projects the mask. Position your hand between camera and distant point lights. Closer hand increases apparent bokeh size while keeping the subject sharp. Make small tweaks to focus and aperture as you change distance, and use continuous or fairy lights behind the subject for stable, evenly spaced highlights that render predictably through your shaped mask. Finish by locking your focus on the subject and using a remote or burst mode to capture a clean sequence while you gesture with the hand. Check exposure and increase background light intensity or open aperture if bokeh appears faint. That raises highlight to background contrast and improves shape visibility. If shapes look warped, recenter the cutout and test smaller hole sizes to avoid vignetting from lens edges. If things still fail, move hand slightly and repeat. Small positional changes often solve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.